Okay, we have our beams installed. 30 foot long, 11 7/8 by 1 3/4 LVL microlam beams. 2 1/2" by 8 bolts through bolting through an existing 4x10. And you can see we have a nice tight fit there. But everything is looking good. All the center wall is gone now, and we just have that new 4x4 post in the center with a CCQSDS2.5 post to beam bracket. So it's a heavy bracket with bolts on either side of it. SDS 3-inch Simpson screws. And we have our clamps that pull it tightly together so we can get everything bolted together nicely. And it goes down here and rests on top of a triple 2x6. And we're going to add 3 more 2x6s there, so it'll have a lot of support under it. There's the beam, nice and tight together. So that is it. Looking very good. We came in, and there's a fair amount of load on that post. We came in through this window and carried them down the hall and lifted them up into the ceiling area over there and slid them on in, and then we tipped them up. We cut back the sheetrock on the roof 2 inches so that we could slip the beams up to the rafters and not to the sheetrock. So yeah, it's working very nicely. So the next steps are, from the beam or the post here, we build a wall across here to there, diagonally following about where the floor line is right now, and it goes across to that side wall there and up to the ceiling. And then we'll have wiring coming down through that for switching, going to lights. There's where the old wall was. And there's where the other old wall was. So this has now become a dining room. And this large space will now be the kitchen, with an island in the center, somewhat where the fridge is. So you can see how much space this room has now. It's really nice. They're gonna love it. Okay, so that is it for Friday, March 9th.